Guys, welcome to Homework Codes. In this video, we're going to see how to print Hello World using Python. So here, we need to click on File and we need to create a folder in the workspace. So I'm creating a folder here by clicking it. So now we got the folder here. So here, by right clicking this folder name, we can add a file, new file, type hello.py. So our Python file got created. And to print hello world, we just need to write a one line. And that is print hello world. That's it. And to execute this program, we need to click on this button, run button. Yeah, the hello world got printed here.